Well guys, I'm back out in the garden and I'm gonna harvest the bell peppers and hot peppers today. Check that out. Beautiful bell peppers. Some of these are sitting on the soil, so they're not quite big enough, but I'm gonna go ahead and get them so it gets them off the floor of the garden bed. I think that one's got a worm inside of it. They can enjoy it down the hill. That one fell off. I see my Jimmy Nordellos are starting to turn red, some of them. So I'm going to leave those for now. Got a lot. Some of these would probably get bigger. But there's just so many of them that I'm thinking if I go ahead and pull some of them, it will force the others to grow bigger. Leaving a few of them. Actually, I just cut the wrong thing there, so I hate I did that. one has a lot of new ones on it, but go ahead and get some of the bigger ones off. I'm gonna harvest some jalapenos, and I'm gonna pickle some jalapenos. Just gonna thin them out a little bit. Thin them out so they'll grow even more. Okay, I think I got all the big ones. I'm going to move down here. I'm going to harvest Shishito peppers. The Shishito hot peppers are massive. And I'm just going to trim a bunch of them. One plant is all I planted on these Shishitos, and they are prolific. I've got some Cayennes in there, but those Cayennes, I need to look up the chili or bull because I think they may turn red. So I'm gonna look up the chili or bull. I know the Cayennes will turn red. The purple Cayennes should turn completely purple, and they have not yet. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this because it's massive. It's like 7 inches long. Another one. Let me see if I can tell what those are. See if my label is still down there. Being that they're this big and they haven't started turning a color. These are, they're Cayenne, it looks like, but I'll take them when they're green too. But I'll leave these smaller ones on. These are the Cayennes. What is this one right here? I'll take a picture with my Google app, figure out what it is. Okay, that's going to be it for today. I think I have, the rest of these are not of any size. So, see another Shishito down there. It's a pretty good size, hanging down. Nice harvest. Check this out. A basket full Shishito peppers bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, and some kind of chili pepper. Basket full. Now I got to get these inside. Oh, bad knee. Now it's time to get these inside and get them processed. Check out all the harvest. Over here we have a hot pepper, jalapeno peppers, shishito peppers, and all of those bell peppers. Check those out. Great harvest on the peppers today. I am just amazed. Now that's just 4 varieties of peppers for today's harvest.